at my happy place, SpeedSportz, and today is the fun big day. It's gonna be the 6-hour endurance race, and hope you guys enjoy. Let's go along. Do your tech. Peter, do tech.
I already did.
Did you?
That was it? For the YouTube.
That was it. You gotta pretend you gotta pretend it's more scrutiny.
You gotta really look at it now.
Yeah, make sure. Yeah, is it orange enough?
No.
Okay. All right, make sure you slip on a 5. All right. Perfect. Yo. There's Seth.
What's happening to you?
Hi, Seth.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello. We're gonna go fast today. Are you guys gonna go fast today?
I'm gonna go fast today.
Okay.
Yes.
Keep the bikes alive.
Thank you. You too.
Okay.
Very soon, we will have a full 6 hours of back-to-back racing. Yo, how's it going?
You alright?
Good to see you.
Yes, sir. Good to see you.
Yeah. You excited?
Oh, yeah. It's gonna be blast. Man.
Yeah, man. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm so excited. I mean, we're lucky because last year, this race was in August.
Oh,
and
yeah,
it was so hot.
This is gonna get real nice.
This is perfect today. Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Good to see you, man.
Have fun out there. All right, so took a quick tour of the paddock. Very, very excited. Practices start, so we're gonna get the bikes ready and turn some laps for practice, and then kind of calm down a bit, and then the race will start at 3 p.m. local time and go until 9 p.m. local time. So very, very excited. Tons and tons of Groms, tons of 65. So it's gonna be a really exciting grid. I think it'll be a ton of fun. So excited to share with you guys. Good shit. You just did a 106. 6s, yeah. That's good. That's good. That's good for practice. So next steps will be, I'll do a practice session and then we'll rest a bit, and race starts in about 50 minutes. Peter will go first, and then either Tim or I will swap after that. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Let's do it. Mama Tran made it. Hi, mấy chào này con. Chào. Yay! She made it! Ha! Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. How long, man? Team sync. Okay. Alright. Kai, get over here. Brian. Okay. Everyone's clear about the tapping procedure. Okay.
Tap, go finish, and then do another lap.
You could like do like a gajillion taps. Just make sure you see it. Yeah. Just tap. And then finish that lap, and then finish one more and then come out. Yeah, so everyone gets time to get ready for the next sequence. So how we like to do is the person getting off the track will undo the gas cap, right? And then someone else will do the filling the fuel, and then someone else will do the fire extinguisher essentially. Yeah. So you should be able to just relax. So 3 and then 3. We're filling 2 bikes.
Oh, you will see me tap, baby.
Did you guys discuss how long you were gonna go for?
Yeah, 30 minutes.
30-minute sessions? Okay, awesome. We're gonna try to do 1-hour sessions. My brother, photographer extraordinaire.
Yeah,
Look at this gear.
It's to compensate.
Hey, Peter.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
All right, gentlemen, it's time. Let's do it. Warm up lap. Warm up lap. Everyone's completed their warm-up lap, and we are gridding up for the final endurance round of the TMGP at SpeedSportz. And it is a beautiful, beautiful day. Tons of friends here. Everyone's getting ready. A total of 20 teams, 2-0. That is a lot of teams. Super awesome. I'm legit getting butterflies. I'm not even the one starting. We got Peter starting the team for us, and we are about to get going. I just finished my first stint. It was super fun. I was super exhausted, but pushed through it. Got out about 55 minutes of riding, so a little over 50 laps in. We are currently in second place. Oh, we are 2 hours, 6 minutes, and 32 seconds into the race. Our team is currently holding second place with a 2-lap difference between the third place team, 1 lap down from first place. We were super unlucky. We had estimated that we could do a full hour of riding non-stop without having to refuel. On my last lap, we ran out of gas about 4 or 5 corners short of the pit, so we lost our lead. We lost a big gap in that time. So we're trying to claw our way back here. Second place overall at the moment. Some really good riders out there and just trying to keep it together. Right now, Tim is out there and he's doing an excellent job. So let's go watch Tim a little bit. Let's watch Tim come through here. There's Fernine, he's our buddy, that's his first time racing. Buddy right here, Fernine, he's never raced before. Here comes Tim. Beautiful form, look at Tim go. Dang. Funny story. After the Coda MotoGP round, we were there for a track day and all the teams still had their official signs up, so we stole a bunch of them. So this is the official Red Bull KTM factory team sign from Coda. And it's our pit board. Where's the cap? Where's the cap? Cap. That was very sloppy, but we'll do better next time. Tim, how do you feel after your session?
Great.
Great, because you did great.
Go some more.
You want some more? Tim just finished his first stint, and we are still second overall out of 20 teams. 2 hours and 40 minutes into the race, and we've completed 131 laps. Let's go. All right. Every one of us have another session to do at least, so I'm gonna get ready in a little bit. Peter just headed out. Right now, get the trash bottle, put it on the can, then we lose all of our laps. Start over.
Yeah. Well, we would just be riding for fun.
Heartbreak. Absolute heartbreak. So I was feeling really good, and then all of a sudden, coming out of a corner, we just lost all the drive, and then the rear locked up and I started to slide, and you might be able to see it on the camera here, and then all of a sudden all of the things just completely cut off, and I was just lifting out there, and everyone's just passing off and passing, and now the motor won't even start. So
Rough day.
I mean, honestly, it's a really, really nice day.
No,
Beautiful day.
it's a really nice day.
As the sun was setting, Tim took out the B-bike for one final session. I must say this wasn't the final round I had in mind to share with y'all, but to be honest, I feel like it was still a successful day because we had a great time riding and racing with our friends. What more can you ask for? Looking back at just this one season of the Texas Mini Grand Prix series, I can say that we've learned a lot about preparation, practice, and riding. We've made mistakes along the way, but more importantly, we've all improved as riders. We've become a part of our Texas Mini Grand Prix community, and we've helped newer riders get into the sport. And for all of that and more, I'm very proud of my team, and I'm very much looking forward to next season and sharing even more with you all. Thank you, and see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.